Welcome problem solving fans to another problem of the day. And this one's all about fractions, and in particular this equal sign in between. And that equal sign means that both sides must balance. Both sides must balance. In other words, they must be worth the same. So what we can't do is just simply copy this 5 here and put it in here, because 2 and 5 6 would not be equal to 3 and 5 6. So we need to make it equal. Now, obviously, if we leave the 5 6 the same, then those two would equal each other. But this 2 does not equal the 3. So we need to bring an extra whole one onto this 2. If we add an extra whole one onto the 2, that would make 3. But we're dealing with 6, so an extra whole one is actually worth 6/6. So what we need to do to make this balance is the extra whole one, which is worth 6/6, we need to put it into here. So if we've got 6/6 and 5/6, that would actually make 11/6, because 6/6, 6/6, and 5/6 equals 11/6. So this missing number needs to be 11. Now let me just run you through that again. That 11/6 is the same as 6/6 plus 5/6. Well, the 5/6 is basically this 5/6 here, and the extra 6/6 is the extra whole one that we need to add on to the 2 to make this worth 3. And that's basically your answer. So 2 and 11/6 is equal to 3 and 5/6, because 11/6 is the same as 1 whole one and 5 extra 6, which when you add on the extra 2 that we've got there, you then get 3 whole ones and 5/6, which is exactly what we've got on the right hand side of the equation.